There's nothing worse than when you think everything's going to work out, you open that box and you realize that nothing's going to work out. Hi guys, my name is Richard Price with High Tech Battery, and today I'm here to talk about how to find a trustworthy vendor for your medical mobility batteries. I'm going to run you through a checklist that I recommend to every single customer that we come across. It has 5 simple things that you're checking for that we're going to go over in detail in order for you to really establish the trust factor with that potential vendor. Why does this matter? Taking the time to do this is going to prevent you from getting the wrong battery for your medical mobility scooter and going through the returns and warranty process or getting no support at all. There's nothing worse than getting ready to install your battery, opening the box, and finding that you have the wrong batteries in there. It sucks. Now you have to go through the return process. You have to bring those batteries to a shipping location, whether that's the post office or UPS. It's a huge hassle. And then on top of that, you might not even be able to get a hold of the company that initially sold you those batteries. So this is actually very important. I recommend you following us all the way through the checklist, all the way to the very end, and letting us know if you have any questions along the way. So first and foremost, we're going to hit topic number 1. Topic number 1 for us is going to be real support. Now, what is encompassing for real support? First and foremost, real support means that there is an actual phone number listed on the website. Particularly, I want to see it in the header, maybe the footer, but the header tells me that they're okay getting phone calls. They expect to hear from their customers, and they have live reps there to answer the phone and talk to them. This is extremely important. You're going to have questions inevitably. Your questions can be about the return process, the warranty process, compatibility. You want to make sure that you're getting the right thing, and you want a battery expert to be on the other end of that line. Now let's take it away from the phone. Let's take it to chat. I also love to see websites that have live chat that engage their customers. And when you ask the live chat question, you don't want to be seeing an AI bot. You want to be seeing an actual person there that's ready to help you out and talk to you. Ask them questions and they should be able to answer. You want to hear compatibility and things like that being answered right away, as well as chemistry questions, voltage questions, you name it. So that's checklist item number 1, which is real support. So let's move on to number 2, which is authentic reviews. Authentic reviews, it's a lot of controversy nowadays, right, because of all the schemes and things. So what you're looking for when you're on a website, an actual real website for a real company, is live reviews. You want to see people mentioning products, experiences, the quality. You're looking for the good and the bad, right, because you're going to get both. Check Google reviews. Google reviews are extremely hard for companies to manipulate. They're almost impossible, and they're very true and very accurate. And companies also get a chance to respond to those customers. Yes, you're going to have some malicious reviews on there from customers that just, they weren't able to make happy or it just didn't work. And the companies get a chance to respond with the remediation efforts that they put towards that. That all needs to be taken into consideration. A company that had an issue with a customer and was able to successfully resolve that in plain sight on those reviews speaks volumes, instead of just seeing all glowing 5-star reviews that say fine, 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 work good, and don't give you any detail. So checklist item number 2, authentic reviews. Now let's go on to checklist item number 3, and that's going to be policies. I want them to be transparent. You shouldn't have to look around the entire website to see, okay, where's the return policy? What's the shipping policy look like? Who's responsible for shipping if there's an issue? How long is the warranty period? All that should be readily available in a term section on the product page itself. When you reach out to customer support, they should be able to rattle that off immediately and instantly. And not only that, but there should be an exchange program set up as well. Let's say you made a mistake. You thought you had model XYZ. It turns out you have model ABC. No problem. There should be an exchange policy in place that is favorable to you in order for you to get the right product. A lot of companies fail on that exchange policy. So transparent policies is key, and you should be able to find them at your fingertips anywhere you are on those websites. It's very important. Let's move on to the next of our checklist. That's going to be battery expertise. Battery expertise covers quite a few things in my world, right? Battery expertise knows that the company actually can deal with any of the issues that you've got coming up. They're going to be able to confirm that the batteries that you're looking at on the website are the exact fit for your particular scooter. If they're not, they're going to ask you the right questions in order to get you there. If you were to go to a true battery expert and say, hey, I'm not quite sure what the make and model of my scooter is, can you help me? They should be able to walk you through all of the steps to find the correct battery. You should walk away from that conversation with the full confidence that the information that you're going to get back to them with or that you have provided them with led you to the correct answer. They're there to help you from A to B. They should be knowledgeable not only on the correct replacement battery, they should also be knowledgeable on charging, battery chemistry, and maintenance. And it's actually not very common. A lot of the websites out there, you can tell by the language, the wording on the product pages, the lack of support, or the lack of a phone number that that's not necessarily the case. They don't want to get questions, right? They don't want to act as any support role at all. They're just there for a transaction. So battery expertise, you can tell right on the website itself. That's where it starts. They're building authority right on that product page. Are they confirming compatibility right on that product page? Are they giving you all the specs that you want to see? Voltage, amp hour, capacity, warranty. Those are the types of things you're looking for there. So let's move on to the next on the checklist. Appropriate pricing. Pricing is going to be subjective, right? There's typically going to be 3 different tiers of batteries. You've got your economy line, you've got your quality line, and then you've got your premium line. It's going to be your choice which tier you go for. You pay for what you get. So I always encourage my customers to take a look at the pricing. If it's too good to be true, it's because there's considerable drawbacks. Your batteries could be old, it could be a blowout sale, and they could be manufactured 2 years ago and you never know. There could be zero support. There's no one standing behind that purchase, so when it fails in the next couple of months, you're left holding the bag. Or they're just an inferior product. You know, we've gone over some of these in some other videos. I encourage you to take a look at that. The difference between the 3 tiers. Really where you want to be is that quality or premium tier. You don't really want to be in that lower economy tier. There's a place and time for that. Maybe you're selling a scooter, you know, maybe it's just going to be a one-off thing. You're going to use it for 2 weeks and then be done. Okay, that's fine. But if you're looking to use it anywhere past 6 months, you know, the economy tier is not going to last. I hope that that checklist I've gone over for you is going to give you a good foundation and a good understanding of what you're looking for in a quality battery supplier. It's extremely important to vet your supplier. How do we stack up? Obviously, I'm from High Tech Battery Solutions, so I'm going to be a bit biased, but let me talk a little bit about the company that we have here. We have an excellent staff, and we have a very real staff. We have our phone number listed on every single page of our website. Not only do we have it in the header, we have it in the footer. We also have a robust About Us section and a Contact Us section on our website. We have a live chat that's manned by real people, Monday through Friday. We're here in the office 8:30 to 5 Eastern Standard Time. And then we also get back to emails and customers over the weekend as well. We are battery experts. We don't sell anything else. We specialize in deep cycle and high rate discharge AGM batteries, which is what your scooter takes. So not only do we have the batteries, but we also specialize in the chargers for a lot of these units. And we've installed them ourselves, physically installed them ourselves. So we've got boots on the ground that have actually done it and could potentially walk you through it for your individual model. We have authentic reviews on our website as well as Google. I encourage you to check those out. We do tick every one of these boxes specifically because we've made it so. We've taken the time to really dedicate man hours into putting, love and attention into each product page that we've made. I want to ensure that what we sell fits your medical mobility scooter and that you walk away from this purchase feeling like you're fully fulfilled and ready to go. Our pricing, we sell quality and premium products only. I don't mess with the economy line. Our customers, the ones that we like to talk to and that our website attracts, and hopefully this video you are watching right now speaks to you as well, we're in that quality tier. Our batteries are not going to be bottom of the barrel. They're not going to be premium tier either. We're going to be right in the middle. That's the sweet spot that we like to stay in. Our batteries are designed to last for a long time, and they're designed to provide maximum value for your dollar. We're here to get you back up and running at the end of the day. That's our goal, that's our mission. So if you do end up choosing us on this journey that you're on, you are on the last leg of the journey. You've done the research. You figured out what the problem was. You've identified it being the battery. You know that you could do this yourself, or you can get some help in installing it from a neighbor or a family friend. You're at the last leg of your journey where you're finding the right vendor and you're about to invest in that vendor. I do hope it is us. If it's not, that's okay. Take this checklist with you. This checklist is important. It really is. If you guys have any questions on this checklist, this 5-point checklist that we made, absolutely let me know. Drop a comment down there, and we do respond to all the comments that we get. Feel free to like the video if it resonates with you, or you can go to our website and we can help you find any battery that you need for any mobility scooter application that you need. Our website is www.techbatterysolutions.com. Our phone number is 1-877-775-4381, or even shoot us an email, orders@techbatterysolutions.com. We're in the office 8:30 to 5 Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. We do respond to emails over the weekend as well. I've given you a checklist that you can run through very quickly. It takes just a few minutes on the vendor that you guys are choosing. All right, come talk to us if you have a question. I'll be more than happy to give you a hand. Thank you for watching.